A possible Martian life form has been photographed on the Red Planet by the Mars Spirit rover. The humanoid figure, which made international headlines when it was first released, was snapped near Gusev crater, which is one of the most explored sites on Mars. If we look closer and enhance the image, we can clearly see the blurred figure of a possible Martian humanoid. We can see a head here. We can also see a body with an extended arm here. Although we cannot see a clear hand, we can assume it's here, as it appears to be holding an object, or perhaps a weapon of some kind. The figure also appears to be kneeling on this rock. We can see a possible folded leg here. We can also see a possible shoe or foot here. This is very difficult to make out, due to the poor quality of the raw image and the NASA filters. Although it's not possible to fully enhance this image, especially from the low-quality raw data, we can try to rebuild it, using a variety of filters and colorization techniques, to highlight the anomalies already mentioned in this video. Once we add some subtle colorization, we can begin to see the object in a new light. As previously stated, this enhancement method is not absolute, and requires a little artistic license, especially regarding clothing apparel and facial features. Once we have completed the basic colorization, added some highlights, and applied some subtle enhancements, we can clearly see that this object is indeed a humanoid figure, possibly an indigenous Martian life form. The final step to complete this incredible image is to apply pixel smoothers and various highlights. This process is very time-consuming, but the results are extraordinary, as you can see. Although this is not a perfect representation of the humanoid figure, it allows the viewer to visualize what this mysterious humanoid could actually look like. It's also interesting to note that NASA have refused to comment on what this object truly is, and have never released any higher quality photographs of this object into the public domain. I personally believe that this object is indeed a Martian humanoid, a living creature, which was caught by chance, as the Spirit rover surveyed the home plate plateau. If my conclusion is correct, then it's even more evidence that Mars does indeed have the ability to sustain life. With the recent announcement confirming the discovery of water on Mars, we can only hope that NASA will reveal the whole truth, and finally confirm that intelligent life does indeed exist on the Red Planet.